You?
Yep.
Okay, here.
Getting ready to start a 1957 Chevy for the first time in over, it's a 59 Chevy, in over 20 years. Got everything set up. Let's see what we can get going. Got Rylan sitting in the seat. And see. All right, Rylan, see what we got. All right, hold on one more time. All right, let's hit it. Almost up, got a fuel leak. Not bad. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. This is the beginning of a multiple stage of restoration for the 59 Chevy Apache. So stay tuned and let's see how we got to where we are. Here is the 1959 Chevy Apache truck in its original condition. As you can see, these pictures are way before digital cameras came out. I purchased the truck from the original owner, and as you can see, it has the big back window. The only thing I had to do to it was to put in a small block 350 engine. I did prime it, remove the bed, and hit the road. Us to where we are now, 25 years later, when we decided to pull it out from the back of the property, clean it up, and see if it would start. And there begins the restoration of the 59 Chevy Apache short bed truck. Getting ready to start a 1957 Chevy for the first time in over, it's a 59 Chevy, in over 20 years. Got everything set up. Let's see what we can get going. Got Rylan sitting in the seat. And see. All right, Rylan, see what we got. All right, hold on one more time. All right, let's hit it. Almost up, got a few leak. Not bad. First time running over 20 years. 1959 Chevy Apache. Because we got to do the radiator. So now that we know it starts, runs, and actually drives, I decided to restore it. So follow along with me as I do a full restoration of the 59 Chevy Apache truck. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification for each and every upcoming video. We'll talk to you later.